everyone and welcome to today's session. In today's session, we are going to discuss a case study of Vula Mobile. So to start with, we will see overview of Vula Mobile. Vula Mobile is a transformative mobile health application that connects healthcare workers in rural South Africa with medical specialists. It acts as a bridge between frontline healthcare workers in remote areas and the expertise of urban based specialists who might otherwise be inaccessible due to distance and the high cost of travel. Vula Mobile is launched in 2014. The application focuses on improving healthcare outcomes by enhancing communication, speeding up the diagnostic process, and supporting rural healthcare providers with the resources they need to offer better care to underserved communities. In rural South Africa, healthcare workers often face overwhelming challenges, including limited access to medical facilities, lack of medical supplies, and inadequate training. These challenges are particularly pronounced in underserved communities where access to healthcare is constrained by both geographic isolation and systematic resource shortages. For healthcare workers in these regions, consultations with specialists such as surgeons, pediatricians, or radiologists are often impractical due to the distances which are involved and the long wait times which are associated with referrals. Vula Mobile addresses this problem by allowing healthcare workers to remotely connect with specialists, share diagnostic information, and receive immediate advice on patient care. This app was created in response to these challenges with the vision of transforming rural healthcare through the power of mobile technology. It offers healthcare workers an easy to use interface which allows them to send diagnostic information such as medical images, symptoms, and patient histories directly to the specialist for the real time feedback on it. By doing so, Vula Mobile facilitates the rapid diagnosis and treatment of medical conditions in remote areas, which is particularly important in emergency situations where quick decisions are necessary. Now let's see the context of healthcare in rural South Africa and how it connects with Vula Mobile. South Africa's healthcare system faces significant disparities between urban and rural areas. Urban centers are home to most of the country's healthcare professionals, advanced medical equipment, and specialized care, while rural areas struggle with healthcare accessibility. According to the South African government, nearly 45% of the population lives in rural areas. But these regions have only a fraction of the healthcare facilities and professional compared to urban hubs like Johannesburg or Cape Town. The country's public healthcare system, which is already under considerable strain due to funding shortages and high demand, is often inadequate to meet the needs of rural population. This situation is worsened by HIV epidemic, tuberculosis, and other chronic diseases that disproportionately affect rural communities. Despite efforts by the government to address these challenges, the need for innovative solutions to bridge the healthcare gap remains urgent. Vula Mobile was developed to meet this need, leveraging the widespread use of mobile phones in South Africa to address healthcare challenges in underserved communities. In a country where mobile phone penetration is over 90%, the app can reach a vast number of healthcare workers and, by extension, their patients. Mobile phones, being portable and easy to use, can offer an effective way to bridge the healthcare gap by facilitating communication between rural healthcare workers and the specialists who are located in more urbanized regions. Now, let's continue by expanding the problem statement and understand what was the actual problem which Vula Mobile wanted to solve. So, the first problem statement of Vula Mobile is the struggles of healthcare in rural South Africa. Healthcare in rural South Africa is plagued by multiple systematic issues that hinder the delivery of quality medical care. One of the major problems is the geographic isolation of rural areas, which makes it difficult for patients to access healthcare services in a timely manner. In many remote regions, patients must travel long distances to reach the nearest healthcare facility. This means that conditions are often left untreated or poorly managed, which leads to worsened health outcomes and, in some cases, unnecessary deaths. So, for healthcare workers, the challenge is twofold. First, they often lack the resources to diagnose and treat complex cases. Without the necessary diagnostic tools or medical specialists available in their facilities, healthcare workers in rural areas are left to make decisions with limited information available with them. Second, they are isolated from the support network that urban healthcare professionals typically have access to. In urban hospitals, specialists work in multidisciplinary teams and they can consult one another as per requirement. However, rural healthcare workers often operate in isolation with little to no access to specialist guidance or advice. The lack of immediate access to specialist consultation is a significant barrier to effective healthcare delivery in these areas. Rural healthcare workers are frequently tasked with diagnosis and treating conditions that are outside their expertise. It makes it difficult to provide the best care to rural patients. Conditions such as complicated pregnancies, trauma cases, and infections require expert input to ensure accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment. Without this support, healthcare workers in rural areas may either misdiagnose or fail to provide the right treatment in timely manner. The second problem statement is the disconnect between specialist and rural healthcare. Rural healthcare workers, another significant issue is the concentration of medical specialists in urban areas. In South Africa, most specialists such as cardiologists, radiologists and pediatricians, they practice in metropolitan cities like Johannesburg, Pretoria and Cape Town. Rural areas, on the other hand, struggle to retain specialists due to the lack of infrastructure, poor working conditions, and the difficulty of living in remote areas. This leads to a situation where rural healthcare workers are often left to manage patients and their cases with minimal or no specialist input, which negatively impacts patients' outcome. In a typical rural healthcare setting, workers may have to refer patients to urban hospitals for specialist care, which can take weeks or even months due to long waiting lists and limited transportation options. The delays in receiving specialist care not only worsen patients' health but also place a significant burden on the healthcare system, as patients are often sent to the same hospitals for repeated referrals. This creates a cycle of inefficiency that further strain the already overburdened healthcare system. Now let's see what are the challenges which are there. Geographic barrier. Geographic isolation is one of the most significant challenge facing healthcare delivery in rural South Africa. Many rural areas are difficult to access due to poor infrastructure, limited road network, and long distances between communities and healthcare facilities. This geographical barrier means that patients living in these areas often struggle to reach medical help when they actually need it most. In rural regions, healthcare workers themselves may also be isolated, often working in health posts or clinics that are far from larger hospital or specialist centers. When healthcare workers are faced with complex cases which requires specialist attention, they may not have the necessary knowledge or support to make accurate diagnosis. For example, a healthcare worker in rural clinic might need to refer a patient to a larger city hospital, but the patient may not be able to afford the travel expenses, or it may take days or weeks to schedule an appointment. This delay in care can have devastating consequences for patients, especially when dealing with life threatening conditions such as heart attacks, strokes, or complications during childbirth. Vula Mobile addresses these geographic challenges by offering a solution that eliminates the need for patients and healthcare workers to travel long distances for expert consultation. Instead, healthcare workers can simply upload patient information, including photos, symptoms, and medical histories, via the mobile application, enabling them to receive expert guidance remotely. This solution dramatically reduces the impact of geographic isolation, ensuring that patients in rural areas receive timely and accurate medical attention. The next challenge is lack of specialist availability. The shortage of healthcare specialists in the rural South Africa is another major challenge. According to the South African Medical Association, the ratio of medical specialists to the population is significantly skewed, with the majority of specialists concentrated in urban centers. For example, South Africa has a large number of general practitioners who are working in rural clinics, but there are few specialists who are available to handle more complex cases. such as those requiring surgery or advanced diagnostic techniques. This shortage is partially due to the high cost of living in urban areas, which attracts specialists to cities where they can earn higher salaries and access better facilities. Additionally, many specialists are unwilling to work in rural regions due to the lack of amenities, professional development opportunities, and career advancement. As a result, rural healthcare workers often find themselves without the specialized knowledge or expertise which they need to treat certain conditions effectively. Vula Mobile bridges this gap by connecting rural healthcare workers with specialists who are based in urban areas. Through this mobile application, healthcare workers can receive a real-time advice and consultations from specialist doctors, enabling them to provide better care to their patients. This not only helps improve patients' outcome but also empowers healthcare workers in rural areas to perform at a higher level by giving them access to specialist knowledge that was previously unavailable for them. The next limitation is technological limitations. While mobile phone penetration is very high in South Africa, the quality of network coverage can be inconsistent, especially in remote rural areas. Poor mobile network infrastructure, such as weak signal and low data speed, can hinder the effective use of mobile health applications like Vula Mobile. In some areas, healthcare workers may struggle to upload patient information, or even the communication between rural healthcare worker and specialist may be delayed due to connectivity issues. In addition to network limitations, there are also concerns about the availability and functionality of mobile devices. While many healthcare workers in South Africa own smartphones, not all of them have access to the latest model or high speed internet. This creates potential barrier to the widespread adoption of M-Health solutions, as healthcare workers in remote areas may struggle to use the app effectively without the necessary technology. Vula Mobile has worked to address these technological limitations by designing the app to be lightweight and functional on low-end devices with limited connectivity. The app is optimized to work with various mobile phones, including basic smartphones with slower data speeds. This makes the app more accessible to healthcare workers in rural areas who may not have access to the latest technology. Moreover, Vula Mobile has implemented offline capabilities, allowing healthcare workers to use the app even in areas with poor connectivity and sync data once a stronger connection becomes available. The next challenge is user training and adoption with this application. Even though mobile technology is widely used in South Africa, rural healthcare workers may not always be familiar with the specific features and functions of an M-Health app like Vula Mobile. This lack of familiarity with mobile technology can create challenges in terms of application adoption and effective use of it. Rural healthcare workers may have limited experience with smartphones or may not have received formal training on using mobile applications for medical purposes. As a result, they may be hesitant to use the app, fearing that it may be too complicated or that they will not be able to navigate the interface effectively. In some cases, healthcare workers may also be concerned about the security and privacy of patient data which they are sharing through the mobile application. To overcome these barriers, Vula Mobile has implemented a robust training program for healthcare workers. This program includes on the ground training sessions where healthcare workers learn how to use this mobile application and familiarize themselves with its features and functions. Additionally, the app provides step-by-step instructions and a user-friendly interface to make it as easy as possible for healthcare workers to adopt and integrate into their daily practices. By investing in training and support, Vula Mobile has ensured that healthcare workers are able to use the app effectively and with confidence. This in turn has led to a higher rate of adoption and better outcomes for patient. The next challenge is sustainability of this model. Sustaining an innovative mHealth solution in a resource-constrained environment can be challenging issue. In many rural communities, healthcare budgets are limited and funding for technology solutions is often not prioritized. Vula Mobile needs to ensure that it remains cost effective and financially sustainable while continuing to provide value to both healthcare workers as well as patients. The cost of mobile health solutions is often a major barrier to their adoption in BOP markets, where consumers are price sensitive and healthcare systems are underfunded. If Vula Mobile is to scale and expand into more regions, it must ensure that its services remains affordable and that it can secure sustainable funding sources. Additionally, it needs to develop a model that is scalable and adaptable to different regions with varying healthcare needs. Vula Mobile has adopted a cost-effective model by offering its services at no charge to healthcare workers. This removes the financial barriers to entry for rural healthcare providers, ensuring that they can access the app without worrying about the cost. The company has also sought partnership with government agencies, NGOs, and private organizations to help fund and support the initiative. These partnerships have enabled Vula Mobile to expand its reach and continue offering its services to underserved communities. The scalability and sustainability of Vula Mobile will be crucial in determining its long-term impact. As mobile technology continues to advance and healthcare system evolve, Vula Mobile's ability to adapt and grow will determine whether it can continue to meet the needs of rural healthcare workers and the patients. Now let's move to the solutions which Vula Mobile has created for all these challenges which we just discussed. The first solution, mobile health as an innovative solution. Vula Mobile leverages mobile health technology to create a unique solution that addresses the healthcare gaps in rural South Africa. The app allows healthcare workers in remote areas to consult with specialists using their mobile devices, bypassing the need for patients to travel to urban centers. This mobile solution is both scalable and accessible, making it perfect fit for the country's underserved regions. Mobile health has emerged as a powerful tool in improving healthcare delivery in low resource settings. With the rapid adoption of mobile phones, especially in rural areas, mobile health platforms like Vula Mobile have the potential to revolutionize the way healthcare is delivered to rural areas. The app connects healthcare workers in rural clinics with specialists in urban centers, allowing for immediate consultations, diagnostics, and recommendations. The core functionality of the app is simple yet powerful. Healthcare workers can upload patient information, including photos of medical conditions, test results, and clinical data, to a specialist who can then provide timely guidance to them. The app also allows for secure messaging between healthcare workers and specialists, facilitating an ongoing dialogue that helps ensure optimal care for patients. The second thing is real-time consultations with specialists. One of the key features of Vula Mobile is its ability to facilitate real-time consultations between healthcare workers and specialists. This is a particularly critical in rural areas where healthcare workers often face cases beyond their level of expertise. By enabling direct communication between healthcare workers and specialists, Vula Mobile ensures that rural healthcare workers receive timely and expert advice on complex medical conditions, improving the accuracy and speed of diagnosis. For example, a healthcare worker in a remote clinic might be confronted with a patient who is suffering from severe trauma following an accident. The healthcare worker may need immediate advice on how to stabilize the patient and transport them to a hospital. Through Vula Mobile, the healthcare worker can upload the patient's condition and get real-time feedback from a trauma specialist who can guide them through the necessary steps to provide proper care. This capability of immediate expert consultation not only saves time, but it also improves patient outcomes. Patients in rural areas often face delays in receiving specialized care due to the geographical and logistical challenges of referral systems. Vula Mobile eliminates this delay by offering instant access to specialists, ensuring that patients receive the best possible care in the shortest time. The third point is simplified user interface for healthcare workers. One of the main barriers to adopting new technologies in healthcare is the complexity of the systems being implemented. Many healthcare workers in rural areas may not be familiar with sophisticated technology or digital platforms. To overcome this barrier, Vula Mobile has designed a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate even for healthcare workers with limited technological expertise. The app allows healthcare workers to upload diagnostic data such as images, medical histories, and test results with just few taps. The interface is intuitive, ensuring that healthcare workers can quickly learn how to use it without extensive training. Vula Mobile has also incorporated offline functionality which allows healthcare workers to continue using the app even in areas with weak or no network coverage. This feature ensures that the app is accessible in the most remote locations where connectivity issues are most common. In addition, the app provides step-by-step guidance and healthcare workers can access tutorials and troubleshooting support. The simplicity and accessibility of the interface ensure that healthcare workers can focus on patient care rather than struggling with complicated technology. The fourth point is cost-effective model for rural healthcare. Cost is a significant concern in many bottom of the pyramid markets, where resources are scarce and people are highly sensitive to price. One of the most impressive aspects of Vula Mobile is its cost-effective model, which allows rural healthcare workers to access the app without incurring significant cost. Vula Mobile is free to healthcare workers, removing a significant financial barrier to its adoption. In many rural areas, healthcare budgets are limited and spending on technology is often not prioritized. By offering the app for free, Vula Mobile ensures that healthcare workers can use the technology without worrying about the cost. Furthermore, the app reduces the need for patients to travel long distances to see the specialist, which can be both costly and time consuming. By facilitating remote consultations, Vula Mobile not only saves patients money, but it also reduces the overall strain on the healthcare system. This cost-saving aspect makes the app an attractive solution for both healthcare providers and patients in rural communities. The fifth point is partnership and collaboration with local health systems. A key to the success of Vula Mobile has been its strategic partnerships with various stakeholders including the South African government, non-governmental organizations, healthcare providers and mobile network operators. This partnership have helped to expand the app's reach and ensure that it is integrated into the existing healthcare infrastructure. Vula Mobile works closely with local health departments and healthcare organizations to ensure that the app aligns with the national health strategy and addresses the specific needs of rural communities. By collaborating with local health systems, Vula Mobile is able to customize its services and ensure that they meet the unique challenges faced by healthcare workers in different regions. In addition, the app has partnered with mobile network operators to ensure that it can be used in areas with limited or no connectivity. These partnerships have enabled Vula Mobile to provide better services to healthcare workers and patients, even in the most remote areas of South Africa. The sixth point is data security and patient privacy. One of the major concerns with mobile health application is the security of patient data. Healthcare information is sensitive and ensuring its protection is critical. Vula Mobile has made data security a top priority, implementing robust security protocols to protect the privacy of patient data. The app uses encryption and secure servers to ensure that all communications between healthcare workers and specialists are private and protected. Additionally, patient information is stored securely and only authorized users have access to this data. Vula Mobile adheres to national and international data protection standards, ensuring that patient privacy is maintained at all the times. By prioritizing data security, Vula Mobile builds trust with healthcare workers and patients, ensuring that they feel confident using the app to share sensitive medical information. The seventh point is impact on rural healthcare access. Vula Mobile has made a significant impact on healthcare access in rural South Africa. By improving communication between healthcare workers and specialists, the app has helped to bridge the gap in healthcare delivery and reduce the disparities between urban and rural healthcare. The app has empowered healthcare workers with the knowledge and support they need to provide better care, even in remote locations. Patients in rural areas benefit from faster diagnosis and treatment, as healthcare workers can now access specialist advice without the delays associated with traditional referral systems. The app has also helped to reduce the need for unnecessary referrals to urban hospitals, freeing up resources in urban healthcare centers and reducing the overall burden on the healthcare system. Additionally, Vula Mobile has improved the quality of care in rural areas, allowing healthcare workers to manage complex medical conditions more effectively and more efficiently. The app's ability to provide real-time expert guidance has led to better health outcomes, as patients are treated more accurately and more promptly with this app. Now let's move to the key takeaways and the key learnings from this Vula Mobile case study. The success of Vula Mobile offers several key takeaways that can inform the development of other AIM Health solutions in similar BOP markets. The first takeaway is mobile technology as game changer. Vula Mobile demonstrates the transformative power of mobile technology in improving healthcare delivery. In regions where access to healthcare specialists is limited, mobile apps like Vula Mobile can help bridge the gap and provide immediate expert consultations. Second takeaway is simplicity and accessibility. The user-friendly design and offline functionality of Vula Mobile shows that technology must be accessible and easy to use for healthcare workers in rural areas. By making the app simple to navigate, Vula Mobile ensures that healthcare workers, regardless of their technical expertise, can benefit from its features. The third takeaway is cost effectiveness. Offering the app for free to healthcare workers has proven to be an effective strategy for overcoming financial barriers. By reducing the cost of healthcare consultations and enabling remote access to specialists, Vula Mobile has made healthcare more affordable for both healthcare workers and healthcare patients. Fourth takeaway is collaboration and partnerships. The success of Vula Mobile underscores the importance of collaboration with local health system, government bodies and mobile network providers. These partnerships are essential for scaling up the solution and ensuring that it reaches the communities that need it most. The fifth takeaway is data security. prioritizing patient privacy and data security is critical in any mHealth solution. Vula Mobile's commitment to safeguarding patients' information ensures that users can trust the app, which is essential for its widespread adoption. So now let's see the future outlook of this case. The future of Vula Mobile looks promising, with plans for further expansion and refinement. As mobile technology continues to evolve and internet connectivity improves in rural areas, the app has the potential to reach even more healthcare workers and patients. Additionally, Vula Mobile may expand its services to other countries facing similar healthcare challenges, offering a scalable model that can be adapted to different regions. So, to summarize the complete case, we can say Vula Mobile offers a revolutionary solution to the challenges which are faced by rural healthcare system in South Africa. By leveraging mobile technology, the app connects rural healthcare workers with urban specialists, enabling real-time consultations, improving diagnosis and treatment, and bridging the gap in healthcare delivery. The app has successfully addressed several critical issues like first, geographic isolation. By facilitating remote consultations, Vula Mobile eliminate the need for long distance travel, saving both time and resources for healthcare workers and patients. Second, lack of specialist availability. With a network of specialist healthcare workers in rural areas can access expert guidance that would otherwise be unavailable to them. The third, technological limitation. The app is designed to work on basic smartphones and it has offline functionality as well, which ensures accessibility even in areas with poor network coverage and connectivity. The next is user adoption and training. Vula Mobile's user-friendly interface and step-by-step training ensure that healthcare worker can quickly learn how to use the app and integrate it into their daily practices. The fifth is cost effectiveness. By offering this app for free to healthcare workers, Vula Mobile ensures that financial constraints do not prevent healthcare workers in rural areas from getting benefited from the technology. So, these factors combined have resulted in improved healthcare outcomes in rural South Africa, making Vula Mobile a valuable asset in the country's healthcare system. Now we will see long-term impact and scalability of Vula Mobile. The long-term impact of Vula Mobile is significant. It not only improves access to healthcare, but it also contributes to the development of a more sustainable and resilient healthcare system. By making it easier for rural healthcare workers to provide high quality care, Vula Mobile helps reduce the pressure on urban hospitals and healthcare centers, allowing resources to be used more efficiently. Moreover, the app's scalability is a key strength. As mobile technology becomes more advanced and internet connectivity improves, Vula Mobile's model can be expanded to other regions and even other countries who are facing similar healthcare challenges. By collaborating with governments, healthcare organizations and mobile network providers, Vula Mobile can further extend its reach and continue to improve healthcare access for underserved populations. What are the various lessons which many new market can learn from Vula Mobile? Vula Mobile's success offers valuable lessons for other countries and regions with similar healthcare challenges. The first lesson: mobile technology can solve real world problems. The app proves that mobile technology, when harnessed correctly, can address significant challenges in healthcare delivery, especially in resource constrained setting. The second lesson is collaboration is essential. Building strong partnerships with local health system, mobile network providers and other stakeholders is crucial for the success and scalability of health interventions. Third, simplicity and user friendliness matter. To ensure adoption in rural and underserved areas, health technology solutions must be simple to use even for individuals with limited technical skills. Next is cost-effective models are critical. By offering its services for free to healthcare workers, Vula Mobile has ensured that financial barriers do not prevent healthcare professionals from using this app. This model is particularly important in BOP markets, where cost sensitivity is high. This insight can guide the development of similar mobile health solutions in other parts of the world, ensuring that underserved populations can benefit from the same innovation approach for healthcare delivery. Now let's move ahead and see the future by looking ahead. As Vula Mobile continues to expand, it is important to remain adaptable and responsive to the evolving needs of rural healthcare workers. The future of healthcare lies in the integration of technology with traditional healthcare model, creating a hybrid system that combines the best of both the worlds. The app's future growth depends on further investment in technology, partnership and training. There is also potential for the app to evolve, incorporating artificial intelligence and machine learning to offer more advanced diagnostic tools and decision support for healthcare workers. This could further enhance the quality of care and improve patient outcomes. Additionally, Vula Mobile could consider expanding its services to include more healthcare specializations such as mental health, pediatric, and chronic disease management. By diversifying its offerings, the app can become a comprehensive tool for healthcare workers in rural areas, addressing a broader range of medical conditions and needs. In conclusion, Vula Mobile is a prime example of how mobile health technology can be used to improve healthcare access and outcomes in rural and underserved communities by overcoming challenges such as geographic isolation, lack of specialists, and technological limitations. Vula Mobile has successfully transformed the way healthcare is delivered in South Africa's rural regions. The app's impact on healthcare access, cost effectiveness, and training has made it a valuable tool for healthcare workers, enabling them to provide better care to patients. As Vula Mobile continues to scale and evolve, it has the potential to revolutionize healthcare in other regions and other countries, offering a sustainable and scalable solution to the challenges faced by rural healthcare systems worldwide. Through its innovative use of technology, Vula Mobile has not only addressed a critical need but also paved the way for future advancements in mobile health. By continuing to innovate and collaborate, Vula Mobile can continue to make a lasting impact on global healthcare systems, ensuring that no one is left behind when it comes to access to quality health care. So, Vula Mobile's success highlights the power of mobile technology in solving complex real world issues like healthcare access. By utilizing mobile health platforms, governments, NGOs, and healthcare providers can improve healthcare access and outcomes for populations that have traditionally been underserved. The key lies in combining technology with local knowledge, resources, and partnerships to create solutions that are both effective and sustainable. I hope with the case of this Vula Mobile, we have learned how the BOP concepts which we have learned in first 11 modules are getting implemented in actual practice. So that's all for today's session. Thank you.